In this video, we'll see how we can calculate total length of ducts, pipes, cable tray and conduits using Dynamo, and also we can see how we can run this script using Dynamo player. For this, I'm just typing here categories and changing this automatic to manual. Now we will need all elements of category. And we'll choose duct category here. Run. See, 724 number of ducts are here. We need length of all the ducts. For this, just typing here get parameter value by name, connect elements to element, and one code block is needed for the length. See, we are getting all the lengths here. Now search sum and get summation of these lengths. See, this is the summation, and we can also round up this digit up to certain number. Search for math.round. And connect double to number. Now we will need one integer slider here. Run. See, we got the roundup value here. Now creating 3 inputs here in this code block to customize our output. For x values, just providing total length of duct, y value is the total length, and in z value we'll provide the unit. And finally we are adding an watch node here and connecting code block and watch node. See, we are getting total length of the duct. Turn on is output here for the Dynamo player and rename this as duct. We can use the same script to calculate total length of conduit, cable tray and pipes also. Just we have to copy and we have to change the category. See how? Here we are preparing the script for cable tray. See, we are changing everywhere cable tray here. Again we are copying this script for conduits, and we are changing cable tray to conduits everywhere. Again we are copying this script and changing everything from duct to pipe. Now we are saving this script, naming this as test. We will run this script using Dynamo player. Opening Dynamo player. See, test is here, and just click here. See, all the outputs are here: cable tray, conduit, duct and pipe. Just click on run. See, we are getting the results here. So if this video is helpful to you, please like this video, share this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.